Quick reading for January the 7th to January the 8th at Cancer. So we have the Fool card, the Lovers, and the Knight of Wands. Dahil meron ditong maglalakas ng loob, no, na mag-reach out. It could be you, it could be your person, but I feel like sabihin natin meron ditong somehow age gap, no? Kung sino yung sinasabi nating pinakamatapang, which is ito nga yung nagte-take ng risk. It felt like ito yung parang medyo sabihin nga nating risky, sabihin natin medyo bata-bata, but I feel like there's really a gap in here. It may be a May-December love affair, it may not be, baka konti lang din yung gap, no? Pero kung ano man ito, kung sino man yung matapang na ito, na nagre-reach out, no, or magsasabi kung ano yung totoo niyang nararamdaman, it felt like January the 7 and 8, napakagandang araw for the both of you para umamin or mag-take ng action dahil this will be the start for your relationship to parang open the doors para magkaroon ng fluidity and harmony sa inyong connection, no? Someone needs to take action and probably say something, no? Para matapos na itong mga second thoughts, no, sa inyong isip. But this is your quick reading, Cancer, for January the 7th to January the 8th.
Predicting future is my purpose.